welcome into Bon Appetit. And we are just thrilled because we have Tif Smith with us. We have such fun with you.
Well, thank
and
you.
that's so typical of the fair. We're going to talk about the cooking contest at the fair. And I'm telling you, it's just fun. There's so much good food. And you are just a big blue ribbon winner.
Thank you.
So at the Creative Living Center, everybody go by.
Yes,
it's
absolutely.
just wonderful.
It's in a new location this year.
It is.
Said.
It is. It's located directly behind the barn where the concerts go on. I believe they used to have the racing pigs there, but I think the dogs are there now.
We're going to the dogs.
We're going to the dogs. And you know, these contests, now this is the best cake adult, but there's also a youth.
I love that.
Nice.
I love that.
So anywhere from 5, 6 years old up to 18, they can enter a cake.
Well,
so why not start them early?
Absolutely.
And that is one of the contests that they've been struggling with because we only have 3, 4 kids show up every year.
Yeah.
So, you know, make it a family affair. That's what the fair's all about.
That is what I
Absolutely.
love. Families who cook together, stay together.
Absolutely.
You know, and you have wholesome activities. And these kids do a great job.
They really, look, I'm not a baker. I was really surprised when my cake won. I mean, because I don't bake. You know,
Well,
I'm a meat and potato kind of girl, but this is
you
called
get some kind of magic here. So
Amen.
what is the magic?
This is a 5-flavored pound cake.
Okay.
I found this recipe in my
5-flavored.
grandmother Blanche Tif's box.
Wow.
Okay? It's of course we use alga syrup and everything.
I love it. Thank you.
We got to make sure you have a retirement.
We got to make sure everybody is happy and
That's
has
right.
good
right.
products.
That's right, and there is nothing better than alga. All right, so in making a pound cake, it's very important to know that you want to take your butter, you want to take your shortening, you want to take all your sugar. Make sure you fluff it up really good.
Okay.
Okay, and then, as my grandmother said, one at a time. You got to take those eggs, put them in that mixture, blend them up one at a time, make it fluffy, you know, and then once you get through with that, you're going to take and I use self-rising flour. I cheat.
I do too.
I mean, it's just easy.
Yes.
All right, and then the star of this cake is the 5 flavors of extract that you put in it. We have vanilla, we have butter, rum, lemon, and coconut. And if you want to put a little almond in it, I like a little almond too.
Right.
So you want to put those extracts into your milk. And another important thing is you take your flour, put it in with your butter mix, and then you put a little milk, and a little flour, a little milk, a little
So you
flour.
just blend it in
And
slowly.
we're going to have these recipes available for our viewers. So
Exactly.
But on that recipe, are you saying put in a little this, a little that, a little
That's
this?
right.
Okay, good.
You're going to take a little
It'll
bit of
say
this.
Yeah,
It
she's
tells
gonna-
you exactly
she's-
what to do.
She's going to give you instructions.
Yes,
so you're
sir.
not
We
having
have
to
the
take-
instructions down
right,
here.
Right.
all of grandma's,
All of
all of
grandma's.
grandma's
You need
secrets.
the ingredients and the instructions.
Right,
yes.
exactly. And then along with, it makes a very good glaze. It's easy. You just take your powdered sugar, again, all your extracts, a little milk, bring it to a boil, and once the cake is cooled off a little bit, you just pour it on top. And I found some maple sugar in my cabinet this morning, so I'll put a little sugar on top.
Well, just gives it a
That's
little.
the way to do it.
Yeah, it looks like
Y'all
frosting.
wanna
Okay,
try it?
now where does the syrup come into this?
I put the syrup in with the milk.
In with the milk, okay.
Okay,
Right.
So that's,
And
So-
it's written on there on
Yes,
the
sir.
recipe that tells you, so
Yes,
you know
sir, it
exactly what
is.
you need to be putting on there.
well,
So-
I love grandma's secrets. You know, because really and truly, those are the things that you don't know that are not on regular recipes.
Exactly.
And that's part of the creative living. That's part of
Yes.
the beauty of that.
Yes.
Because most of these folks have been cooking forever. Their
Right.
grandparents cooked.
And recipes
You
are
know,
passed down
they are
from
passed
generation
down.
to
Generation,
generation.
that's right.
Now, I have a Cajun grandma. If you ask her, she'll say, well, we just put a dab of this and we put a dab of
So
that.
do Italians.
Yeah,
a little bit of
Italians.
this, a little bit of
Yeah,
that.
throw a little over her shoulder.
Yeah.
But this grandmother was a home ec
It's
teacher,
like
so
uno mano, one
she
handful.
was very precise.
Okay, let's hear it for grandmother.
That's
Absolutely.
right.
Tiff,
Granny
thank
Yeah.
you so much. And again, if
Yes.
you want the recipe,
Yeah, you can give me a call at 277-5000 or send me an email, and we're going to put my email address up there. It's jack@galassiniadv.com. Send me an email and I'll respond and give you all 4 of the recipes all at one time. So remember, if you're calling about a recipe, there's going to be 4 that you're going to get. You're not going to just get one. But there may be one that you'd rather have rather than the others. Remember, the Alabama National Fair, it's going to be at Garrett Coliseum again. It's the 65th year of the fair. It's been around a long time. Starts on the 4th of October, but there's still time for you to go to their site and find out about becoming a participant in the cooking section for this year's fair. So, bon appetit, and we'll be right back right after this.